శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 846th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 48th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Dhritarashtra Maharaju expressing all of his worry to Sanjaya and saying like this: O Sanjaya, there is no one who can fight against Arjuna in the battlefield. Though there are Drona, Karna, Bhishma, I cannot imagine victory on our side. Ghrani Karnaha Pramadi cha Acharyaha Sthaviro Guruhu. Karna is most compassionate person. Dronacharya is old. And on top of that, Dronacharya is the teacher of Arjuna. On that side, Arjuna, he is strong. He has got that kind of great amount of enthusiasm. And he is very great valorous. That is why I don't see there is any kind of failure to Pandavas. All the Pandavas are very skillful and efficient in their archery, and they are seeking the kingdom. O Sanjaya, there is no one who can kill, who can conquer Arjuna. And now that Arjuna has so much of anger on my children. Arjuna is a great soldier and equal to Devendra. He is the one who satisfied Agnideva by giving him Khandava Vanam. And Jigaya Pardhivan Sarvan Rajasuye Mahakratau. In Rajasuya Mahayajnam, Arjuna is the one who conquered all the kings. Sesham Kuryat Girer Vajraha Nipatan Murdhni Sanjaya Natu Kuryuhu Seraha Sesham Kshiptastata Kiritina. Even if Vajrayudham falls on any mountain, that might not destroy entire mountain, but the arrows which comes out from the bow of Arjuna can never leave anything. Those arrows can kill. Those arrows does kills every enemy. Like that, Dhritarashtra saying to Sanjaya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimannarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.